What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. My name is Dawa. So this is our 1K to 100K challenge. So currently we are at $5,095. I think we're down, let's see. It says 0, but it's like 0.2 something. So it's decimal. I don't know why it's not showing, but I think we're down like $12. So, right here. So we see we're down $12. And let's see. So today kind of broke even. Around close, we took off a little bit, so kind of recovered and back to balance, equilibrium. So I just want to get out of the way some of the stocks here, and then we'll get to the news. We have with DigiHost and Hut. So first, let's see, Ascensus down. The timing kind of was not that good for us to get into the stock, but it is what it is. So we're down 10%. Jeez, not bad. IMMR down 2 today. It's fine, minus 10. Yeah, don't really care. Not much invested in. So, but like I said before, just because I haven't invested much in them doesn't mean that I'm not bullish in them. So I'm just yeah, I don't know why I'm saying I don't care, but yeah, not much loss when you're looking in terms of long-term investing, like few years or like 5 decades. Like these moments, yeah, they don't really matter, day-to-day activities. So, and also currently we're in the crapper right now. We're in the red. We're in a down market. So I'd say give it a month or two. Don't panic. Just hold the stocks you like. And yeah. So let's cover bingo first. Bingo is what the hell? All right. Well, we'll just move on to the news then. Went to the maintenance. Okay, I thought it was at 5:30, but it's only 5:20. Okay, whatever. So, bingo. So, bingo, we are down today. -1, -2. Okay. No news here. Nothing really. Like I said, with day-to-day, I'm not really worried that much. So, we'll just cover the stock prices right now, and then I will just get to the news. Minus 1%. Not much. Bitcoin is currently moving up right now. Let's see, what's that? 54.4. Okay, it's hovering around there. The big movement we'll see is probably overnight tonight, and on Saturday we'll see what it comes to. But now, yeah, slowly it'll just move up. And let's see. Okay, so Bitfarms, I think we covered Bitfarms or what? Okay, Bitfarms evened out at the end. And nothing. So, yeah, the financials were not that amazing, but we know what they have planned for this year, 3 exahash, sorry. And they also have great potential. Okay, so Hut.to 1% up. Okay, $9. So this is the news with Hut. They purchased right here. So Hut 8 is expanding its mining capacity with $30 million purchase of Nvidia CMPs. Let's see. So $30 million CMPs, and delivery starts in May 2021. Full deployment expected to complete this summer. Okay. And dramatic. Yeah. So aggregate hash rate improvement is 1600 gigahash. Okay. So most likely it's not Bitcoin for sure. Gigahash. We're looking at alternative coins here. So yeah, it looks like alternative coins. Expand its mining business. So it's kind of trying to diversify a little bit. So yeah. And let's see, strengthening international, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. So let's look at what it could be, right? So CMP, Nvidia. So it's mainly Ethereum here. So yeah, Ethereum. Okay, so we'll assume we're going with Ethereum. It could also be Litecoin, but they have different algorithms. So I don't know, like Ethash and all that stuff. So Bitcoin uses SHA-256, and then I think if we go back to Innocence, we'll see the. Okay, yeah. So the Innocence, we're looking at Ethash. So yeah, that's Ethereum. So Ethash, and currently with Ethereum, this one is the most profitable one. This is new. Cardano. So this is just mining Cardano coins. Okay. All right. So with that, so they got 1600, right? Just want to make sure 1600 and not 16,000. Okay, 1600. And with 1600, they are looking at. Let's just say they're going with the median price here. I mean the median one, 50 HX. It could be this. But we're just taking this for an example, okay? So 45 mega hash, right? 45 mega hash and power usage, rated power usage is 250 watts. So we're using 250 watts. Cost per kilowatt hour. It could be more than 6 cents, but we'll just go with 6 cents. I mean, it could also be less, sorry. With HUT, it could be around 5 or 4. So we'll just take 6. Per month profitability is only like $3 or $4. So $3 to $4 difference per unit per month. So not much of a difference, but yeah. So 103 and per month profit per that unit, and assuming that it's mining Ethereum. Okay. And let's see, so 1 Ethereum, if you go here, the mining profitability for Ethereum is 0.0882 per day per mega hash. So if you look at this chart here, 1 mega hash, to get to 1 gigahash, you need 1000 mega hash. So if we look at right here, this mines at a rate of 45 mega hash, and this is with 45. So you can do the calculation here. I already did it here. I don't know why I'm explaining that part again. Yeah, so 103 per unit per 45. So if they get let's see. So they're getting 1600 gigahash. So, and we're talking mega hash. So to get to 1 gigahash, they'll get 140. Okay, so all right, you do the calculation. I think I'm blanking out right now. So okay, so moving on to the next one. So they are most likely going to mine Ethereum following Hive. Not much of a large investment, but in investment nonetheless. Okay, so, and for time keep's sake, I'll just move on to the next one with DigiHost. DGHI. So up 4. Among the miners, I think this one's winning out today. I think, let's see. So I'm looking at my Yahoo Finance here. Mara. Argo Blockchain ate it today. 11.5% up today. They had a partnership, I think, with DMG for the first clean Bitcoin mining pool. First clean energy Bitcoin mining pool, yeah. So I'll maybe try cover that. And let's see, yeah, that was it. Okay, so with DigiHost, they have so they announced grant options, stock options, sorry. Aggregate 1.6 million incentive stock options that has been granted to the directors, officers, employees, and consultants of the company. So if you look here, each stock option is exercisable into a common share of the company at a price of 2.49. 2.49, currently they are at 2.59, and okay. So not much of a deal per se for now, but that's a good grant. Yeah, and they have a period of 5 years from the date of the grant. So that's a long time. So the stock option will vest fully on the 6-month anniversary of the date of grant and be subject to the term and condition of the plan and the policies of the TSX Venture Exchange. Okay, so that's just incentives for their employees, directors, board members, and consultants. So let's see. I think we covered this. Yeah. All right, I think that's it for, because I think they're doing maintenance, so I can't go back. That's why I was trying to cover that fast. Let's see. So so expect a big run up for Bitcoin this weekend. Not sure if it's going to hold come Monday morning. That did happen a few weeks back. It went up all the way to, let's see, about 60K, 61K, and then come Monday opening hour, it came all the way down to 54. So yeah, so definitely will rise Ethereum and Bitcoin. And I am actually in Mara now, so I think I'm gonna be doing good. So I've invested some money in Marathon Digital. I think I got in at 32s. Right, 32s. I think it's a decent price to get in. This company is going to be huge in a few years. Maybe 1 year, they'll be huge, like in 1 year. But I'll be holding for a few years. Yeah, with all the miners. If there's any negative news or there are circumstances that is not in line with my investing strategies, then I would sell them. But for now, I think we're looking good. So I have Hive, Hut, Mara, Riot, not Riot, Bitfarms, Argo. I don't have Argo. Oh my god. Okay, DigitalHost. So yeah, so I have 5, and I was looking to invest in Galaxy. But I think I might invest in Mogo.to. Yeah. I don't know. I'm always looking for the underdog, like the smaller company, because they have much more to grow. Not saying that Galaxy doesn't have like room to grow, but valued at like $2 or $3 billion. Coinbase is IPOing soon. $68 billion. So yeah. But, it is what it is. So, still really looking good. I haven't updated this chart here, but, yeah, so. Mining, market cap to hash rate. This is not applying right now, but we're just looking in terms of potential to grow. So, yeah. I think that was it. So yeah, if just a little I guess tip. So currently I think I'm down, I want to say minus 20. So minus 20. So if I'm down minus 20, I need to gain 25%. So yeah, with some stocks, I'm currently down minus 20, but some stocks are holding up nicely. So I'll need to go gain 25%. So it's not always the same. The higher you go, obviously, the more you have to gain. So if you go down minus 50, then you have to gain 100% because you're losing half the value, and you need to gain if you're at $500, you need to gain $500 to get to $1,000. So that's 100%. So if you're losing more than 50 in a stock, I would definitely consider moving it to a company that you are more bullish in. And so pretty much like keeping your top stocks that you are very bullish in, and the ones that you're less bullish in, you just move it to the ones that you're bullish, very, very bullish in. So it's kind of like weeding out the top losers and putting in the highly bullish ones that you know from your research that will do really well. So, and then once it goes up, then you can purchase that stock again. So to kind of like, buy it back again. That's another strategy. I haven't applied the strategy yet because maybe I was just lazy with it, but I just haven't seen it to be the case for me. I think I'm pretty invested diversely and pretty nicely across different industries, so I'm kind of diversified in that sense. I'm also in like the top growing companies in that sector, in those sectors, and I don't want to sell them right now. If I could in the future, if I could maybe time when the market crash was happening, then I could sell them and then buy them back at their, well, not the lowest, I can't predict the lowest, but at a price that I feel very comfortable getting in without losing sleep. So that kind of thing. That's also a strategy to use. But you would need really high knowledge in like predicting when the market crash might happen, but that's tough to do. That's why we say keep some cash on the side. So also doing, also pulling out from your winners. So if you have a stock, so for me, like Bingo, I had 1,800 shares, and I pulled out 500 shares in 3 installments. So I pulled out a total of 500 shares. So what I did was, when it bumped up to like $5 or $6, I pulled out maybe a couple hundred. And then when it got up to like 8 or 9, I pulled out a couple hundred. And then when it was up around like 10, 12, then I pulled out 100 or so. So that way you're kind of like taking out your cost, and then you're just investing with your profit. So, and then you can just have that cash laying around for a bit as a backup to when the market might crash and you can buy. So that's a strategy if you don't have any cash to put in. So you can just divest, like you can just take out the profit. So I think we got a little off topic, but oh my god, this is going too long. Okay, please feel free to like and subscribe. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, and also just look at the stocks, not stocks, look at the strategies, look them up that I was talking about. I think those are really good strategies. And also dollar average cost, that part. So these 3 or 4 strategies, look them up, do more research, see which one fits your style of investing, and also which one fits your risk tolerance. Some people might be really risky and go for higher gains. Some people just want to invest in S&P 500 or mutual funds. So who knows, right? So do your research, and hope we all make money. That's the main goal for this channel, is to bring awareness to stocks that could potentially make huge gains. So I think that was it. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.